Arjuna, today we'll discuss the past tense marker D or ed, the suffix D or ed. How the past tense suffix D or ed is pronounced. The suffix D or ed has three forms in pronunciation. It is pronounced in three different ways. The suffix D or ed sounds like tha, dha, id, t, d, id, ta, da, id. The suffix D or ed is pronounced as tha, dha, and id. Let's see when the suffix D or ed is pronounced as tha, dha, id. First one, the sounds pa, sa, kha, cha, sa, ta, fa. These are the speech sounds. If the verb ends with one of these sounds, if the verb ends with one of these sounds before the suffix is added, then the suffix D or ed is pronounced as tha. If the verb ends with one of these sounds before the suffix is added, the suffix is pronounced as tha. Stop. The suffix ed pronounced as tha. Stopped, stopped. Sa, face. The suffix D sounds like tha. Faced. Park. The sound is ka. The suffix is ed. Parked. It is pronounced as tha. Parked. Punch. Cha, cha. Punch. Suffix ed pronounced as tha. Punched. Punched. Push. Sa. Suffix sounds like tha. Pushed. Pushed. Laugh. Suffix laughed. Second one, the sounds bha, gha, dha, v, m, n, l, r, ja, 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 and a vowel. Sometimes a vowel is followed by these sounds. If the verb ends with one of these sounds before we add the suffix d or ed. The suffix is pronounced as ad, da. For example, bathe. The verb, if you take the verb bathe, the sound is the. Suffix is d. Here the suffix d is pronounced as d, bathed, bathed. Ba, rub. The suffix is pronounced as d, rubbed, rubbed, d, rubbed. Drag, ga, drag. The suffix ed is pronounced as d, dragged, dragged. Turn, turn, n, turned, turn, turned. Love, loved. We, love, loved. Here the suffix d is pronounced as d, da, loved. Name, d. The suffix d is pronounced as ed, named, named. Pull, pulled. Free, freed, freed. Pose, posed. The suffix d is pronounced as ed, da. Pose, posed, posed. Judged, judged, judged. If the verb ends with these sounds before the suffix is added, then the suffix d or ed is pronounced as ed, bathed, rubbed. Okay. Third one, the sounds tha and dha, ta, dha. If the verb ends with one of these sounds before the suffix is added, tha, dha, then the suffix d or ed is pronounced as id, id. For example, want, want. The suffix is ed is pronounced as id, wanted, wanted. Want, wanted. Tha, tha, want. Suffix ed is pronounced as id because the verb ends with the sound tha. Mend, mend. The verb ends with the sound da, mend. The suffix is pronounced as mended, mended. And one more thing, when the letter r is not pronounced, generally r is not pronounced when it is preceded by a vowel. When a vowel precedes the letter r, the r sound is not pronounced. When it is preceded by a vowel, especially when the letter occurs in the middle and at the end. When it occurs in the middle position of a word or at the end of a word, the letter R is not pronounced. Vowel plus R. Park, P-A-R-K, park. In the word, the sound R is not pronounced. Park. E plus R, U plus R, I plus R, EA plus R, O plus R. This topic is very useful to DSC students. It helps you gain 1 or 2 marks in the DSC exam. Thank you.